If you want to be an AI developer and want to avoid getting caught like that spy, you've got to learn RAG. By now, we have all learned raw AI is a confident liar, and the solution to that is RAG. Today, we are going to build a RAG system and we are going to build it like a complete beginner. For that, we are going to use a very simple tech stack which is very beginner friendly. We are going to use Python, we are going to use FAISS, we are going to use LangChain, we are going to use OpenAI models. Everything will run on your own system, on your own local machine. Today, we need a system that has Python pre-installed. We will use this Python to create a virtual environment, and in this virtual environment, we are going to install several dependencies based on which we will build our RAG system. Now on the screen, you'll be seeing the command using which we'll create our own Python virtual environment. Now with this command, we'll be installing all the necessary dependencies. Now that all our dependencies are installed, we are going to create a folder named data, and in this data folder, we will keep every kind of data that is necessary for the RAG to work. Now that we have loaded all our documents, we are going to split them into small chunks, and for that, we'll be using this Python code. If you remember correctly, every chunk needs to be converted into certain embeddings, and for embeddings, we'll be using this particular line of code. This is where our FAISS library is going to come into place. We store these embeddings in FAISS. This becomes the AI searchable memory. Now we will create the file from where the RAG will actually run. With that, our RAG is prepared. Now, if a user is going to ask any question, it is not going to directly go to the AI for answer. It is first going to retrieve the data using the files in the data folder and then go to the AI where this data will be injected into the prompt. Congratulations, you just built your first RAG system. If you want the complete code, link is in the description. That's it. For more bite-sized tech explainer like these, like, share, follow and subscribe.